Okay, so just working these out now. So I'm going to start with V equals I times R. So I want to make R the subject and it's on the other side, so I'm going to swap it. I want to get R by itself, so you've got to get rid of times I. So you divide by I, and then you end up with R equals B over I. Now just one thing, when you divide by I, a division will become a fraction bar. So you've got to remember division is a fraction bar. Division goes to fraction bar. Okay, A equals B times H. B is on the other side. So B times H equals A. Divide by H, because that's what I want to get rid of, and that's times H. So B is A on H. Looking at the next one, P equals F over A. And I want to get F by itself. So F over A equals P. So to get F by itself, you've got to get rid of the A. So go times A, and you will end up with F equals PA, because P times A is PA. D equals M on B. So I want to make M the subject. So M on B equals D. So you swap the sides. To get M by itself, you go times B times V. So you end up with M equals DV. Okay, this one here, I want to make C the subject. So swap the sides. C plus D equals E. I've got to get rid of the D. So minus D minus D. C would be E minus D. It's just opposite. So it's like solving for the letter. The letters just represent numbers. So it's the same as if you're solving the equation, but you're just doing it with letters. And letters always represent numbers. So if you want to get C by itself, I've got to get rid of the B. So you go minus B minus B. So C is A minus B. Okay, the next one, I want to get U by itself. U minus V equals S. So I want to get U by itself. So I go plus V. U is S plus V. So, yep, so that's it. The next one, I want to get X by itself. So X minus S equals Y. I need to get rid of the S, so you go plus S. So X equals Y plus S. Want to get X as the subject, so swap the sides. And the opposite to a square root, to a square, is a square root. Okay. V squared equals U, because I want to make V the subject. Opposite to square is square root, so it's square root U. Root S equals T. Opposite to a square root is a square. So when you move it to that side, you square that side. So square root becomes a square. Square root B equals A. Opposite to get B by itself is you square the other side. Mx plus C equals Y. I want to make C the subject. So I've got to get rid of this whole mx. So it's like having 3x. You take 3x, take 3x, take mx, take mx. So you end up with C is Y minus mx. The next one, U plus AT equals V, and I'm making U the subject. So that means that I go U equals, I've got to get rid of the AT. So minus AT minus AT. So U equals V minus AT. Okay, the next one, we want to make B the subject. So C squared plus B equals D. To get B by itself, I take the C squared, because I want to get rid of the whole thing. And you get B is D minus C squared. And then finally, I want to make that one, I want to make R the subject. I might just rub that out because I don't have lots of room there. But if I make R the subject, R minus L squared equals V. So to get R by itself, I plus L squared, and R is V plus L squared.